Hey guys, it's Chris, and today, on a very special episode to me, this is the CDTV. This was kindly donated from True over in the UK. I know these can be a pretty penny, and holy crap, thank you. It is so appreciated. There's only a couple that I need left to get, and everyone knows who they are. Second Lord of the Rings movie. So I'm going to change my shirt, and we're going to dive into this thing. But I just wanted to say a special thank you to you, Jonathan, for hooking me up all the time. Always contributing to the channel. Always helping me out. Sending me things. Now, I give out people stuff too, so please everyone don't be hating on me. You go to CDTV, you're a... I don't know how to word that properly. So I can't express enough thanks to you, to everyone who is a patron, a supporter, in any way, shape, or form that helps me out, helps this channel out. They're not getting sold. None of these are getting sold, unless I have like 8 of them and I'm feeling gracious that day. Well, I kind of do. But, you know what I mean. Let me get changed, rearrange the desk a little bit, and we'll get into it. It is 100 through 240 volt. Has a switching power supply, 50 or 60 hertz. This is a slot loading tray caddy. I have a tray I bought right here. It's tan, but it'll work. CD-ROM with the remote control that I do not currently have, and it has a keyboard that I do not currently have. On the front, it has your normal reset, up, down, play, pause, stop, rewind, fast forward, CD or TV button. The CD-ROM jack itself, a power switch. On the back of this unit, it has a keyboard in and a remote, which looks like a PS2, but it's not. Think of it as the A4000 plug. Left and right audio, disk drive, serial, parallel, RGB video, MIDI in and out, AC power. This expansion slot has a little memory or kickstart ROM switch, your coaxial antenna, video slot, and a composite video out. That's the solar firing up. We're going to be knocking things over. For this, we're going to use the Amiga kit DB23 to VGA, because mine will do 15 kilohertz, as we've seen a bunch of times. Mostly I just use it in the Chinesium, so I'm on HDMI, it's easier. But for audio, since I don't feel like unplugging my speakers, I'm going to use a Devoom TiVo, and it has a 3.5 splitter. Does not have any DB9s. Okay, we have a clock. Did slice my finger extremely bad, cutting the packaging open. Holy moly, really bad. So we're going to look for Christian music. We'll do Megadeth. I think we'll do Slayer, Seasons of the Abyss. It's their Christmas album. Now, way back when, early 90s, late 80s, Sony made all the CD-ROM units, and they all took trays. All the trays are the same, so you can get them on eBay. It was like a protection thing. It acted like a... Here we go. I have audio. Something's happened. There we go. I have a disc. I don't have a disc. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. No spin on the CD. The CD spins briefly. And then it won't boot. If I eject the disc and press reset, it should see the CDTV logo. There's the CDTV logo. Inserting the disc, you will see the orange light. Disc no spin. What if I pressed play? If I press play, nothing happens. But CDTV, isn't that freaking cool? I'm wearing 2 pair of glasses, so excited. So we're going to get this sorted. I'm going to take it apart. We're going to check it out. We'll see what's up. It did have a switch in the back. Hold on. Turn it off. There's a switch for ROM. and a switch for RAM. We're just going to try that. Maybe that's it. Or Kickstart 1.3. I found a CD32 disc and a CDTV disc called Insight Technology on my other side. And look at these nice graphics. Father and his son playing a CDTV with the wireless controller.
Welcome to Insight Technology, the first title in the Insight series produced exclusively by Tucholka Limited. Enter a world where you can explore with interest the varied and exciting topics contained within, plus an extensive photo library containing over 700 photographs produced as eye-catching and entertaining narrated slideshows.
I don't know how I'm going to press enter. I'm just going to press right, up, down. I have no idea how I'm going to do this. With the CDTV functional, I'm going to press reset and eject the disc. This is the Amiga Insight Technology in this little case. With you squeeze these top things here, it opens it up. Whoops, this was from Commodore. This was I don't know where I got this from. Again, we're going to take the Seasons of the Abyss Christmas album from Slayer and put that in here. We're going to see if this plays. Now, this button was causing my issue. Why the CD wouldn't spin? It spins and doesn't. So now, if I touch this a couple times, the CD starts to spin. Can you not play an audio disc? As a test, I'm going to eject this disc again. And we're going to put in the Insight Technology one more time. So this unit will not play audio discs. It will only play CDTV discs. Here's your CDTV disc on Insight Technology. This is from 1993. This is going to need some love. Caps, I'm sure, the whole nine. But this logo is important to me on every single thing in my life. In case you haven't noticed, I'm a huge Commodore fan and the Amiga fan. Not so much the 8-bit, but it's nice to see this thing work. I'm just going to let this run in the background for like an hour. Really heat soak the whole unit. Let it get some action again. Who knows when the last time this thing was ran. Alright, I'm still screwing around with the CDTV. It's been running idle for a while. Screensaver kicked on. The reason it's acting up is most likely caps. I burned, by the way, this is an Amiga CDTV, Commodore CDTV, Amiga 600 HD demo. I'm going to mark a line on here so I can see if this thing is spinning. I drew a bunch of lines around the outside of the disc. Now I can see what the hell it's doing. I rebooted it, powered off, powered on, gave it the old touch jiggle. But look at the graphics. There we go.
The Amiga 1 megabyte Ady Bolton.
The what? The Amiga what? That's cool. That's disc 2. I'm going to post that on Facebook. That's hilarious. Okay, so audio CDs work. I had to use a disc dated 1992. Audio's working! Yay! Okay, stop works. Play. Pause works. Christmas music on the CDTV. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. Thanks for hanging around and watching an old blind guy fart around with 30-year-old technology. If you find this stuff interesting, please consider liking or subscribing. And Mona will thank you at the end of every video. And we're going to touch base back on this soon with a full love session that will be recapping the power supply, the CD-ROM drive, which is a weird, long, big one, and the unit itself. And we're going to go over all the unique quirks that make the CDTV and what it actually has on the inside. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. As always, I hope you learned something.